In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add overlay text called supertitles to your videos using SubtitleBee. You'll learn how to add multiple text overlays at the same timestamp, set their durations, style them, and export fast. Log into SubtitleBee and upload your video. Once it opens in the editor, we're ready to add text. To add overlay text, head to the Supertitles tab. Click Add Supertitle and type in your text. Set its position and choose font, size, color, background box, or stroke for contrast. Now set the time when your supertitle should appear by dragging its slider on the timeline. Adjust how long it stays on screen by pulling the edges of the duration slider. You can set an exact duration in the duration field if you prefer precise timing. You can also add multiple supertitles to the screen. Click on Create Supertitles and add as many supertitles as you want. SubtitleBee creates separate supertitle boxes that share the same start time. Customize each one's text and position to adjust its style and duration. Now let's play the video and see if we want any edits. Super cute. Finally, resize your video to any social platform and export. That's how to add text to a video using supertitles in SubtitleBee. If this helped, please like and subscribe to SubtitleBee.